It's been 8 hours of work. Great. Just fucking great. Oh, Jesus! Bro, listen, don't do that, bro. Scared the living shit out of me. Damn. Whew. Yeah. I'm good. Hey, what you still doing up? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. How? Usually you be asleep by now, ain't it? Yeah. But what you doing up? You couldn't sleep. Damn. It's tough. How's work? It could have been better than how it was before. The boss was being a complete asshole to me. Hell yeah, that dude, bro. Okay, I was doing my own fucking business, right? And then the boss gonna be like, "Oh, Miles, you ain't doing this shit right." Like, bro, like leave me the fuck alone. Like nobody was not even messing with you. Like who the fuck bust your fucking bubble today? And then steady on. You just kept messing with me and saying all those unnecessary rah shits. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just leave. So, yeah, I just left. My job ends at 5 o'clock, but he talking about something he want me to stay until 5 o'clock. I was like, nah, bro, like you don't usually do that, so why all of a sudden you want to do that now? Like, come on, bro, like come on now. No. I wouldn't say that I had a stressful day. I mean, kind of, but no, it's whatever. But anywho, I'm home now, so hey, it's great news. So, is Eric and Savannah asleep? They are. Kind of figured. So, what were you doing? Bro, you is such a simp. Oh my god. Nah, bro, you was a simp. On God, you was a simp. You talking about something thinking about you. Well, that's really sweet of you. Not you hugging me. I was just playing. I'm just bullshitting. I miss you too. I appreciate the love, listener. I appreciate the love. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. You looking good. Hell yeah. You looking mighty good right now. Damn. Who got your attention? I'm just saying. Because you looking fine. Hella fine. We're not talking about me. We're talking about you. Nah, nope. Nope. Nah, bro. I don't want to hear it. Nope. I'm talking about you, not me. Is my sister asleep? My little sister, Naya? She asleep? Oh, okay. Damn, so everyone's asleep but you. Now that's crazy. So, did you by chance eat today? Wow. You was listener. You had to eat something. Okay. It's 3. I can maybe like get you something if you want. Yeah. I don't got a problem. Well, some places close like Subway, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's still open, and what else? Chipotle is still open. So, what else? What? Yo, the Chinese place still open. I thought it closed by now. I guess they just open that late just for that one day, I guess. Do you want Chinese food? Cause I don't got a problem ordering it. Yeah, no, not at all. I mean, they could bring it here. Yeah, they could bring the food here. So that's what you want. Cool. I think I might get some. Yeah. Let me just get it. And the food has been ordered. So, in the meantime, I don't know what to do, but I mean, we can do something. Is there anything you want to do? Not like that, listener. Get your mind out of the gutter. Not like that. You're so fucking nasty. Anyways, what I meant was, I don't know why I'm yelling, but what I meant, like, we can maybe watch the rain. Too romantical. Can maybe, you know what we should do? We should prank Eric. Prank Eric. But not Savannah, because I remember before I poured water on that girl, she literally punched me in the fucking nose, bro. That shit was bleeding. Yes, bro. Like, damn, like, you had to do me like that. I mean, I understand you was mad and shit, but, like, punch me in the nose is crazy. Of course I got mad. But I don't hit girls. I never hit a girl. Well, I hit a girl one time, but that was when, my sister got into a fight. But I didn't hit her hard. I just, like, I wouldn't say punch, but, like, I slapped. But that was a long time ago. That's when I was, like, 15 years old. Yeah, it was 15. Shit. I don't know. I guess we just talk about how's our day or some shit. But we should pray Eric, but at the same time we shouldn't, because if we, like, pour water on him, and if he, like, wakes up, he'll be fully awake, like, bugging me or some shit. And then listen, before he did that, and then remember how he did that and you kept telling him to go to sleep, and then he was like no, and then you had chased him down the stairs, and then you started hitting him with the pillow. And then I was just, like, standing there or some shit. I was just looking. I was like, damn. But you hit hard. Hell yeah. Listener, on everything I love, you hit hard as hell. I remember you punched me in the arm. Yeah. I almost started to cry. Huh? That talk to who? Cyrus? Yeah, we cool. Yeah, we cool. I mean, we won't really talk like that, to be honest. No. I wouldn't say he's my best friend. I just say we, like, cool. I mean, he can be like my brother here and there, but I don't know. I mean, we won't really talk that much, to be honest. But like I said, we cool time to time. Yeah. But I did talk to him yesterday. He told me something, he was just chilling. Did you talk to any of your friends? Or no? Oh, okay. Talk shit. How long did it say it was gonna rain? Hold on, let me check my thing. Check my weather. Oh, bro, you was lying, bro. And I got a basketball game that day. It's raining the whole week. And then I got a basketball game Friday. Eric, he got a basketball game Wednesday. Not basketball. He got a football game Wednesday. And then Savannah, she got a volleyball game Thursday. Did I tell you I was captain, team captain on the basketball? Yeah. And then Eric, he's a captain of the football team, but he almost wasn't because he got in trouble. Long story. But luckily, he was lucky that the coach gave him another chance. I'll tell you later. Let me see who's dropping off the food. It's a Chinese dude. His name is I can't pronounce that name. See that shit? I cannot I cannot pronounce that name. It's impossible. Long ass letters. Bro, it was a new person at our job, right? I think his name was Jaden. I think Jaden. He got like an accent. I think he got like a Jamaican accent. I ain't trying to be mean or nothing, but his forehead is bigger than my future. I'm being dead ass, bro. His forehead is bigger than my fucking future. I ain't trying to be funny or anything, but it's true. Like, you should have saw how big his forehead, bro. Here, I thought my forehead was big. I thought your forehead was big. Huh? Nothing. I ain't saying nothing. No. I ain't say shit. Anyways. You know what I miss right now? I miss New York. I mean, that's where I'm from. That's where I'm from. Until, I moved here, California, and that's how I met Eric, Savannah, and you. But I do plan on going back, like, just to visit. Not stay, but to visit. I got some family members there. Yeah, like cousins. I don't really talk to my aunties and uncles like that. Just some cousins and some more friends. You know? Yeah. So, me and my little sister, we plan on going, so. All of us should go when it's Christmas time because all the decorations is amazing. Right. California is cool, but New York, I miss it. Yeah. I had a reason to move, so. Well, you know already. Yeah, but we ain't gonna talk about that right now. So, what's been happening with you? What you did today while I was at work? None? Oh, okay. Cool. Respect. Oh, what is it that you need to show me? Oh, you got some new shoes? Let me see. Where's that? Oh, you put the box over there. Let me see. Yo, that's dope. Bruh, them shoes dope. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, for sure. Listen, hey, for sure. Them jokes hard. I might gotta give me some. Hashtag good style. Wait, shh. Who's that? Oh, hey guys. Oh, hey Eric. What you doing up? Nothing. Just came to get something to drink. Oh, cool. What are you guys doing? Nothing really. Just chilling. Shh. Just chilling? Yeah. Oh, okay. Actually, you know what? I forgot. I already got water in my room. I'll see you guys later. Okay. Good night. Good night, you guys. Good night, listener. Oh, Miles. Huh? All of us still going to that coffee shop tomorrow? Yeah. We still going. Okay, cool. Well, good night. See you guys later. Are you getting sleepy a little bit? Yeah, I could just tell, cause your eyes kind of getting low. It's kind of red too. And you're yawning. Wow, that's crazy. To be honest, I'm getting sleepy too. I do not look like I'm high. I do for real? Let me see. Wait, you got your phone with you? Oh, mine's in my pocket. Hold on. Oh, damn. I do look like I'm high. I mean, I was high yesterday. I'm just being honest with you. So, I mean, it was amazing. In my opinion, getting high is amazing. No, I don't get high 24/7. I get high sometimes. That's just me. No, listener, I do weed, not cigarettes. You think you're funny? Yeah, you want to be #funny. Ow! And just for that, you was not getting no kiss or no hug from me. No, hell no. Don't hug me, no. You just hit me. Bro, nah. Ooh, you better be lucky I love you. If me and you was not together, no. I don't know, but no. And I say the food is here. Thank you. I think I could give you 30 bucks. Here. Okay. Bye. Thank you. That bitch ugly as hell. I'm not being rude, I'm just saying. Anyways. Look, listener, oh my gosh, food is here. Oh my gosh, wow, we got food. The guest line is crazy. Kind of. Do you want to set a table or do you want to go in the room? I bet. Come on. We go in the room. Okay. I'm gonna sit right here. Okay. Here's mine. And here's yours. Your drink right there, see? Yeah. Oh, me, you got the same thing. You know, that's the new drink. Yeah. The peach one. I heard it's good. Never really tried it or anything, but I heard it's good. Yeah, try it. Try to see if you like it. Is it good? Let me try some. I know I have my own, but me you could share. Thank you. Here, and since you're sharing, you can get some of my wings. Since you got, well, even though you have your own, you can get some. Thank you, Miles. Exactly. Damn, this shit good. All right. Chill. I'm not gonna drink it all. I promise you. I promise. I got my own anyways. Okay. My bad. I'm gonna lie. I think you could tell because I forgot I had my own. Because I was just finna drink all of your juice. For real. That sounds good. I might gotta give me some of those more often. This shrimp fry right here is bussin'. Yeah, I gotta marry it. What? Oh, come. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no fucking way, bro. You really getting jealous over rice? That's how we're gonna marry. I'm just kidding. Bro, not you getting jealous over food. Oh, wow. Now that's crazy. I'm telling Eric tomorrow. I'm gonna be like, this shit got jealous over food. Because I said I was gonna marry it. Ow, whoa. Now that's rude. No, I don't want no hug. I don't want no kiss either. No, I don't need no kiss. Nah, bro. Move, bro. Bro, back up. You getting too close. What, you want to kiss or something? Cause you hella close right now. I mean, I don't got a problem kissing you, but hey, if you want to kiss it, just say that. Cause you getting hella close. Nah, don't back away, nah. Don't back away, nah. Think you slick. I know what you trying to do, listen. You trying to kiss me. You said that you not, but me and you both know that you want to kiss. You bad at lying. Yeah, you bad at lying. You know you want to kiss me, so stop all the cap. You cap it right now. Oh, whatever. But damn, this food good. Damn, this shit good. I should marry the wings next. Don't side eye me. I'll side eye you. Side eye. Yeah. You still side eye me? Crazy. This shit good. Alright, let me chill out. I don't want to make too much noise, cause Eric, he's gonna wake up. So, and Savannah, cause her room is next to mine, and she is a light sleeper. Well, time to time, but nah. I remember I woke her up once. She gonna be like, "Shut the fuck up, Miles," or blah 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 blah, all that rah shit. I was like, you was a fucking grandma, cause you was so grumpy. Don't, please don't tell Dad said that. Please don't. I'm begging you. Please do not tell her that. Bro, please don't. Please do not tell her that. I'm telling you. Oh, you're so fake. What? That's exactly how you sound. What? You listener, you is fake. Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. That's my reaction when you was like you was gonna tell Savannah. Oh, wow. Crazy. Now, about you want to kiss me, though. Yes, we still on that. We still on that shit, listener. You know you want to kiss me, bro. So, stop capping. But for real, you want to kiss for real? I know I do, but I'm asking you. Alright, bet. So it is. Alright, come on. Come on. Stop covering your face. What you hiding for? Why, you nervous or something? Listen, we kissed before. Why are you getting so nervous? There's nothing to be nervous about. Come, listen, look. It's just me and you here, see? It's just me. Nobody else, okay? Come on. You playing. You don't want no kiss for real. Exactly, so come on. See? Was that so hard? Oh, please. It is not that hard. You so dramatic. Yes, you are. You can be time to time, especially a crybaby. You're cute. No problem. Still a crybaby. Ain't no you just fucked up the mood. I'm just telling the truth. You are a crybaby. I find it funny, but I find it cute. But mostly, I find that shit funny. Damn, I'm getting sleepy. Oh, now you're getting sleepy. Well, I'm finna go get in the shower real quick, and then I'm finna lay my ass down. Alright? Okay. You don't gotta wait up. I can tuck you in the bed, okay? You don't wanna go to sleep without me. Fine. But I don't want you to wait up on me, though. So, you know, you don't have to wait up on me. You can just go ahead. Oh, fine. I'll see you in a few minutes, okay? Alright. See you later. Hey. Yeah, I thought you said you was gonna fall asleep. Yeah, you literally slept on the floor. Here, let me pick you up. No, of course not. You're not heavy. How long were you asleep? Soon I came back when I took a shower. I just saw you sleeping. I couldn't just let you sleep on the floor like that. Your back will probably start hurting, so you gotta get comfortable, you know? Yeah. Okay, here you go. Just put you in the covers. Okay. Huh? I'm not going nowhere. I'm just going on my side. Okay. What? I'm just hugging you, you know, cuddles. Yeah. You know how we do. I love you, okay? Alright. Good night. You comfortable? Okay, cool. I love you too. Now go to bed, okay? Alright.
Hi, my little brownies. It's me, of course. And I just wanted to, tell you guys, I know I could have done this video a little better. And sorry for, how I sound. And of course, I'm supposed to be asleep right now because I have school in the morning. Nobody doesn't know that I'm up right now. And yeah, so I just decided to, make this quick video, to help you guys relax and enjoy your night. And I hope you guys get a good night rest. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope this helps. And if it doesn't, then I deeply apologize. So enjoy the rest of your night or day or whatever. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Good night.